Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the event and recommendation notifications on the Lalatoon application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile button at the upper left corner of the screen, and here you can find the notifications option, and you can find here the event and recommendation notifications, and just tap to the circle, and new is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.